Okay, the second method of estimating a demand function is to use survey data, survey of consumers' willingness to pay data to estimate demand functions. And the idea is, okay, suppose I'm running a coffee shop, and I want to estimate demand for coffee for the coffee, and suppose it's medium size, long black. Okay, and I can do a survey to solicit consumers' willingness to pay for the coffees. The first person, maybe let's suppose I only have 3 persons in the market. Okay, the first person says that okay, she's willing to pay $15. Second person said 10. Third person is say $4. Okay, if I set the price to be $15, only one person will buy it. So the demand will be 1 cup of coffees. And if I set the price to be $10, so now both 2 persons will purchase the coffee. The consumer with $15 willingness to pay will continue to purchase this coffee, my coffee. In addition, the consumer with $10 willingness to pay will also purchase the coffee now. So demand is 2. Now, if I set the price to be $3, all 3 persons will purchase my coffee. So demand is 3. So this willingness to pay actually $15, $10, $4 serve as a price. We can draw a scatter plot like this, and that's actually and fit a trend line. Estimate a trend line. Okay, so this dotted lines is like a demand functions. Okay, that's the idea of estimating this demand function. Let's look at examples in greater details. So this, as you might see it now, the first step we are going to do is to estimate, implement a survey to solicit consumers' willingness to pay. Okay, so here's the survey. This is a cup of long black, medium size long black. Are you willing to pay $8 for it? Okay, so you want to ask people. Okay, suppose I'm one of the consumers. I'm going to say yes. Then, are you willing to pay $16 for it? Okay, no. Then, how much are you willing to pay for this cup of long black? Okay, I'm going to say, okay, roughly maybe $10. Okay, $10. And submit. Maybe I'm going to say I'm going to students. So submit the results. So that's a survey that you can implement to solicit consumers' willingness to pay. The data, the willingness to pay, raw data look like this. So in my surveys here, I have 101 response. Okay. And from this raw data, then you can estimate demand for the long blacks step by step. So first step, as we have already done, is implement a survey to obtain consumers' willingness to pay for medium-sized long black. Step 2, sort the data. Okay, in this spreadsheet here, I already did everything. So let me just copy it to a new spreadsheet, and let's do it there. Okay, step 1 is fine. Step 2, sort the WTP data in descending orders. So click data, sort from J to A. Okay, it's already in descending order now. Step 3, extract unit WTP. If we look at this WTP data, we see that there could be different persons have the same willingness to pay for the coffees, right? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 persons are willing to pay $5 for this coffee. So let's extract unit value of this WTP. So go to data, filter, advanced. Let me copy to the new location. The range of the input data is, the range is maybe just, so is A2. I want unit data, unit records only. I want to copy to, let's say copy to this position. Okay, so this is WTP, or actually we're going to use this as price. I'm going to call it price. And now that's step 3. So step 4, calculate the frequency. For example, for 35.9, I want to see how many persons in this 101 responses who says that I'm willing to pay 35.9 for the coffee. So I'm going to use this frequency. Frequency functions in Excel. So data will be A2 to A102. Bin will be L2, L3 to okay. So it's one person. Do it for the remaining one. Okay, and this sum them up. We can see that it's indeed 101. Okay, let's calculate share, which is step 5 or step 4. Calculate the percentage share. So which is M3 divided by M47. Okay. Okay, let's share. So that's step 4. 5. Calculate empirical cumulative distribution function of WTP, or calculate this 1 minus FP, the probability, the share that willingness to pay is bigger than P here. So let's say probability the share of WTP is bigger than or equal to P. So this is the first one is M4, N3. Okay. Then the next cell is N4 plus O3. Okay. Next one similarly, just do it, pull it down. So in the end it comes to 1. Okay. Okay, then let's step 5. Step 6, construct the quantity demand. here we need a parameter n, number of consumers. Let's say n. Let's suppose 100, say 1,000 consumers visit my shop, say in a week. Okay, n is equal to 1,000. So we want to estimate quantity of demand for the coffee. So it's equal to 03 times in times 1,000 in what? Okay, do it for other one. Okay. Okay, I need to fix the difference here. Total m total 1. Okay. So now I got the data, quantity of demand for. So I got data quantity demand for the coffee and the price. So we can actually draw a scatter plot. Something like this, and we want to fit a line to this, fit straight lines over these data points. To do so, let's use OLS. We have dependent variable quantity, independent variable price. So let's run a regression. So let's run regression. Dependent variable is the quantity. The independent variable is the price. And output the result here. Okay. So now we estimate demand function. So quantity is 669 minus 33.77 times price. Okay, that's one way. That's the second way of estimating a demand functions from the survey data.